Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Easy Money 111. Today, I want to talk to you about AI Tiger and my withdrawal or Tiger Exchange. So today, I want you guys to know that I was able to withdraw money from this platform, and I'm not your financial advisor. What I'm letting you know, trying to let you guys know is that just watch what I'm doing, and if you think you have the power or you can take risks, then you take risks with me, please. If you want to also watch me do my thing, I'm happy. But if you want to join, please make your own decision. Okay, make your own decision. Okay, I started this platform almost 29 days ago, so this is the first time I was able to withdraw from this platform, and I want you guys to see. Okay, so I'm going to my wallet. The profit I got was 10.96349. That's what you see at the top there. This one. So I reviewed that yesterday. So I'm going to my Binance for you to confirm. So this is what I got. $9.5. I reduced $10 from AI Tiger. So this is what I got. Yes, this is what I got. So someone will say this is a small money. Yes, I always say that for me, I like to try everything a little. I don't put too much money in everything, especially because I'm joining a lot of platform, and I've been scammed many times. So we are very cautious. We don't want to repeat the mistakes we make with other platforms. So I started with just $21 on AI Tiger. So now I want you guys to know that I was able to withdraw from this platform. If you can see here, I was able to do that. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I don't want to talk much about this, please. And if you want to join my platform or join AI Tiger, I have my link down below. Just go down. If you want to join Binance too, I have my link down below. I have my WhatsApp, I have my Telegram. Just WhatsApp me, hit me up. If I have to help you with something, I'll do that. And I want to say thank you very much. Please like and share so that people know that I'm making money in AI Tiger. Thank you and have a nice day.